In a world driven by technology, your ideas deserve intelligent execution. At CyberMaxCode, we transform ideas into smart, scalable digital solutions. Our services are: we design intuitive UI and UX experiences that are user-focused, visually refined, and built to convert, from wireframes to pixel-perfect designs for web and mobile. We also build AI-powered automation systems that streamline workflows, reduce manual effort, and help businesses scale faster and smarter. For startups and growing companies, we develop SaaS products from MVP to launch, creating scalable, high-performance platforms designed for growth. Moreover, we deliver custom software solutions tailored to your business needs, ensuring security, performance, and long-term reliability. Through business process automation, we simplify complex operations, improve efficiency, and turn manual processes into seamless systems. Our AI assistants and chatbots work around the clock, engaging users, supporting customers, and generating leads with intelligent conversations. We, furthermore, develop powerful web and mobile applications that are fast, secure, and optimized for a seamless user experience across all devices. And with AI integration and technology consulting, we help businesses adopt the right technologies to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving digital world. CyberMaxCode, building smarter systems, better experiences, and scalable futures. So, visit our company portfolio website at www.cybermaxcode.com.